Hey guys, I'm making this video. If you have the 24G4 by AOC, like what are the best settings for your monitor? So just do this, okay? First, you're gonna be, oh my god. You're gonna be right here, illuminance. Contrast 50, brightness 100, echo mode standard, gamma you want to have free, and DCR and IGR effect off, okay? Now let's go further. Now then when you're gonna go further, you're gonna have the color setup, which is going to be warm, the DCB mode off, and DCB demo off. Now color temperature, you can also set up to standard or to cool. It really depends, like the color setup depends, the temperature like depends on you. So try all of them and just choose which one you like and prefer. Then you're gonna picture boost off, OSD setup off, English and game settings off. But also if you're gonna be playing game, just try it out when you're gonna be directly in game and try to have the game mode on when you're gonna be playing game, how it's going to feel for you. But other than that, these are just like really good for me and it works well. Have a great day and goodbye.